fairly senior people, one upstairs and one downstairs. The point of it was to actually get an understanding of what it was about, because some of the feeling is that the borders may never open again. Without the borders open, then there's a very valuable section of our clientele that will never come back. On the office side too, it has the everyday benefit that it reinforces our procedures that we have for hygiene, and not just hygiene amongst ourselves and our peers and our desks and so forth, but also the interaction with our clients. But it's all about safety too. It's about not just you here with your peers, it's about what you will do at home too, what you will do with your children, what you will do in your social setting. It's about understanding totally hygiene.